Imagine if you could turn your knowledge into profits. What if you could sell something valuable like AI prompts online? Many try and fail, but success is within reach. The key is understanding this simple truth. People buy results, not prompts. They want solutions to their problems. This video will teach you how to create sellable AI prompts from scratch. AI tools are everywhere. Users want results, but most struggle. They type vague prompts and receive poor output. This gap creates an opportunity for you. A well-crafted prompt pack can bridge this gap. You aren't just selling text, you're offering expertise that saves time. First, let's explore the components of a sellable prompt. Premium prompt has 5 essential elements. They are role assignment, specific task instruction, output specifications, input requests, and a quality standard. Each component is crucial to meet buyer expectations. To start, role assignment sets the AI's expertise. Instead of stating you are a writer, say you are an expert YouTube scriptwriter. This specificity is vital for quality results. Next is specific task instruction. Be detailed. Instead of write a script, state write a 15-minute video script for beginners on AI. Then, outline output specifications. Define the format, length, and tone the AI should adopt. Include what should be avoided, such as filler phrases or overly formal language. The input request allows users to personalize their experience. Ask specific questions to tailor the output. Finally, include a quality standard. This instruction guides the AI to produce its best work. An example might be, ensure the script sounds natural and professional. By incorporating all 5 components, you set your prompts up for success. Now let's look at the most profitable categories to create prompts. Consider 5 key areas. First is YouTube and video content creation prompts. This market is booming as creators rush to make engaging content. A well-structured prompt pack is in high demand. The second category is business writing. Professionals regularly need polished emails and proposals. They are willing to pay for tools that save time and improve quality. The third category focuses on social media. Creators often feel overwhelmed with content demands. Next, we have study prompts for students. Academic users seek to simplify complex topics. Tailored prompts can dramatically improve their learning experience. Lastly, freelance service prompts cater to specific professions, enhancing service delivery. Choose your category wisely. Use AI to research typical buyer problems in each area. This insight will help you craft relevant and desired prompts. Now let's dive into the process of writing these prompts. Start by identifying the specific problem your prompt will solve. Be concrete. For instance, if developing a hook prompt, define the struggle of a content creator crafting an engaging start. Once you have your problem defined, use AI to draft your prompt. Provide context by saying, "You are an expert prompt engineer." Follow this with detailed, clear instructions for creating the solution. After generating your draft, it's time to test it. Submit the prompt to AI and provide realistic inputs. Examine the results critically. Does it impress you? If so, your prompt is ready. If not, analyze what's lacking. Adjust your instructions until it meets your satisfaction. As you create prompts, organize them into a coherent pack. Use tools like Notion for clarity. When finished, design a professional PDF using Canva. Include a clean cover and table of contents. Pricing is crucial for success. Don't undercharge. For packs with 15, 20 prompts, consider pricing around $12, $17. For comprehensive packs of 30, 50 prompts, aim for $22, $37. Finally, mega packs should range between $47, $67, signaling high value. Your product's description is vital for sales. Start with a hook addressing buyer frustrations. Share what they'll gain, the details included, and an example of your prompt's efficiency. Tackle common objections, ensuring buyers feel secure with a money-back guarantee. After launching your product, promote it actively. Share sample prompts on social media. Ask people to try it and provide honest reviews. These initial testimonials are golden. In summary, the market for AI prompts is flourishing. Users want solutions they can't achieve alone. Your prompts can provide that bridge. Focus on the 5 essential components to create premium prompts. Choose your category, understand your buyer's needs, and craft your prompts wisely. Organize and price them for maximum appeal. Engage your audience to kickstart sales. What category will you tackle first? Share in the comments, and I'll respond with a specific prompt idea. If this video inspired you, please give a thumbs up. It helps others discover these strategies. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow, we'll dive into another exciting AI income opportunity that you won't want to miss. See you then!